Hi guys, in front of me is Oukitel WP50 and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. First of all, enter the settings, then find and select passwords and accounts, and once you want to add your account, just mark plus icon, select Google, and here provide okay, so at first you need to have your network connection active, but all you have to do here is to provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your device, along with the password, and then it is done. Once you want to remove some account, just mark it, click on remove account and confirm it. Tap on OK, provide all the security password, passcodes, whatever you use, and then it will be deleted. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.